Start by creating two actor blueprints, one for the door and one for the key. Create a blueprint interface by going to blueprints and then blueprint interface. Open the blueprint interface and create two functions, one for pick up key and one for open door. Under pick up key, go down to outputs and then click on it, add a new blueprint, reference the BP door that we just made. Now inside the BP door and BP key, create a cube and a box collision. Now go to class settings and add the interface we just created to both the door and the key. Create a new input action for the interaction. Go to the IMC default and add it to it. Make sure to select the right key and choose the trigger to be pressed. Inside the third person character, get the IA input, type a piece of code that says get overlapping actors, grab a for each loop, connect that to the trigger, make sure you select the BP key off the array element to does implement interface and get a branch to check whether it does. Make sure to select this to be the BP interface that we just created, and off the array element make sure you get the pick up key message. Now inside the key, double click on pick up key, create a new variable, call this one door ref, and make sure it's type BP door. Also be sure to tick the I so it's open. Now drag the variable into door ref and make sure you add a destroy actor in between. Back inside the third person character, create a new variable, call this one door array, and yet again make it type BP door. But instead of it being a single variable, make sure it's an array, drag off the array, type add, and connect that to the door reference. Now to create the interaction with the door, highlight all of this up to the branch, copy this, paste it below, and change the get overlapping actors to BP door instead. Also drag off the array element, type open door, grab the message, and this will be our interaction. But first, we've got to grab another for each loop, connect this to the true. Now grab our door array and off the array element, type equals, grab the array element of the original door and check if they are the same. Now grab a branch, connect that to the loop body and connect the true to the message. Now back inside the BP door, go to interfaces, double click on open door, click here, destroy actor. Perfect. And that should all now be working. Let's drag these into the scene and test them. When they're dragged into the scene, click on the key, click on this eyedropper tool, and then click on the door that you wanted to unlock. Perfect. Let's try it. Picking up the key, pushing E, it picks it up, go to the door, push E, and it destroys it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you.